How to fix the issue. An update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is give fresh restart to your phone. For that, head towards Settings, scroll down and go to the option General. Scroll all the way down, tap on the option Shutdown. Now, slide this icon to the right to power off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, another solution is go back. Over here, you're gonna find this option of airplane mode. Toggle on for this option for a few minutes and again turn it off. And now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, another thing you can do is scroll down, go to the option General, scroll all the way down, head towards the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select the option Reset. From here, select the option of Reset Network Settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset your network settings. If all of these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can remove the SIM and again insert it, and with that your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix the issue. An update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.